Hello, my name is Leah Sparks. I'm the Director of Interpreter Development for Professional Interpreting Enterprise, located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Today, I'd just like to walk you through how to check for a sign language interpreter's license. You go to your search bar on your computer or phone and type in license search, all one word, .wi.gov. It will bring you to this page. The Wisconsin Department of Safety and Professional Services, or as we know it, DSPS. You scroll down here to Health, Business, Individual Credential / license search. You're going to click on that box and it will open up to this page. You do need to know the first and last name of the sign language interpreter. I'll use myself as an example. If you know the interpreter's license number, you can type it here. If you also know the license that they hold, you can choose that from this list of options. The most common ones that we see currently in the state of Wisconsin are intermediate hearing, intermediate deaf, advanced hearing, and advanced deaf. There are a few others to choose from, so be sure to widen your range if you don't see them under intermediate or advanced. You do not need to select this either, so I'm going to leave it blank to show that you can just look for the interpreter's license under their name only. The important box you need to click on this website is the I am not a robot, and then click search. And you will see it brings up the individual search results. You'll see my name at the top, and you'll also see this number 229. This is my personal license number that the state has me filed under. All my state licenses are here, and they are listed from oldest to newest, with the newest being on the bottom. So you'll see 229 here at the bottom. Advanced hearing is my license that I hold, my name, the location where I'm living, and you'll see that I was granted initial license in 2012. And my license expires August 31st of 2025. I hope this helps you in double checking the interpreters that are showing up to work with you within the community. Thank you. Have a great day.